Do you constantly feel like there's not enough? Money, time, opportunity? That feeling isn't accidental. It's a pattern built into the way our brains evaluate risk and reward. Welcome to Pocket Alchemy. Today we expose the psychology of scarcity and give practical mindset shifts to move from lack to real abundance. The illusion of less. Our brains evolved to notice shortfalls. Long ago, noticing missing resources kept us alive. Today the environment has changed, but the brain's shortfall alert system still fires, and often louder than the facts. Because scarcity grabs attention, marketers exploit it with flash sales and countdowns. When decisions come from fear, we trade long-term gains for short-term relief. Scarcity goes beyond money. It affects choices, relationships, and health. A not enough mindset narrows options and creates its own limits. Step 1 to change. Identify your triggers. What makes your chest tighten? What situations push you to hurry or hoard? Name 3 triggers and notice the physical cues. That naming reduces their power. Shift to abundance. 1. Reframe attention. Each night record 3 small wins. 2. Practice short, intentional gratitude to expand mental bandwidth. 3. Use conscious consumption. Pause before purchases and ask if they move you toward your goals. Remember, wealth is more than money. Time, freedom, and impact are real currency. Generosity, even small, often expands how much you perceive you have. Try these rituals. The daily win log, the 24-hour pause before non-essential spending, and a vision board that includes time and impact goals. Small rituals compound into big change. Pick one ritual and try it for 7 days. Comment which you chose and I'll reply. Subscribe for more practical money mindset shifts from Pocket Alchemy. Scarcity is a signal, not your fate, and now we're shift attention and your pocket follows, and so are